back exactly after 10 minutes. I'm reaching where I was 20 minutes ago, but I will take a different route right now. Right. Every road connects to the main road, but there are different pathways really. If you want to walk more, you can take this road. If you want to walk less, go to this road towards your academic blocks or food court one. Everyone has a bloody iPhone, man. How common? It's more common than my phone at this point. I've seen more iPhones than Androids. I don't know why it is now a status symbol or something. I will turn on my umbrella this if anything falls down from down up from down, sorry, from up to down, maybe an umbrella will brace the impact, maybe soften it by something. Maybe this is not a footpath, it's not been built at this point. It's like a development area, it's not so fancy right now. Does not look as modern as the standards go for Manipal. Lots and lots of people, man. No baddies here, man. For now, no baddies. In my batch, no baddies for now. Which is a shame, really. This is a cricket field, football field, I don't know, something, but it is absolutely drenched in water. So, you cannot use that right now. Maybe after the rainy season ends, maybe after that you can. Okay, I will turn off my umbrella now. So why did I do this? Yesterday night, I saw a log wood falling down from a tree. From then, I have a suspicion on every tree now. कहीं ना कहीं से एक ना एक ब्रांच टूट के गिर जाएगा भाई. मोटा ब्रांच हो तो मर जाऊंगा भाई. नहीं मरना मेरे को अभी. There are also a lot of Mercedes here. I seen at least 3 off cam. Did not come on cam, only one of them came on cam. So lots of rich people are here. I even saw 4 to 5 cars that are worth nearly 2 crore, 3 crore on road. So there are many rich people. Rich people in here. इनसे बच के रहना पड़ेगा भाई. My camera is always facing down because I always have to look at the road. So bear with me. I will improve my vlogging. But I think that is it, the whole campus. Like I am touring the whole campus at this point. Maybe I will share some pictures online, but here and there. But yeah, this is the whole campus which I am doing right now because it's free time now. The classes will start day after tomorrow. I will have no time after that. People do say that I will have time, but I don't believe them. I really don't. Either they procrastinate something or that they don't study. My father also saying this, so no. I don't know how true is that. The dog feeding point. No one feeds them. This is a temple run. Like when it rains now, it just looks like the game in the temple run. So that's why it's called temple run. And also there's a temple down there, so you can go there. There are some homes, I don't know for whom. Maybe some professors, staffs, maybe, I don't know. No ideas here, to be honest. People come to worship here. I am coming here for vlogging. I will not worship anyone. I am an atheist. I am proud of that. This part looks very nice, actually very beautiful, I must say. All the greenery and fountain looks beautiful. This is the first time I'm coming here, so this is called Temple Run. Absolutely beautiful. Marvelous road down here. I have not entered the temple. I have to open my shoes, which I won't. But you can have a look. Very beautiful, I must say. Might click some pictures here and ready to fuck off. It will rain yet again. It's just clouding up like crazy. It will rain any moment. Every drop of water can generate an ocean. My ass. Chi Guru. Chugai Guru. There's children's park. I don't know who is having children in here. Maybe the students may have children. Maybe the PhD ones. Maybe they come here. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh yes, absolutely. This needs to be taken. Nice. Goo kha raha hai. There's outdoor gym, children's play area 6 to 11. That's nice. I cannot enter here. I'm 17. I wanted to ride. This is gate number 4. Back of the temple. And now I might go to SSC. Maybe I'll find someone. Hopefully. Or the SSC is where all the student projects like Robo Manipal, they make robots. Autonomous systems, they go there and make this something. Now this temple and all the children play area are all in the campus only. All inside the campus. So you can always come here to worship. Mind me, I'm taking some pictures here. Please don't mind me. This will go my status for today. It's quite beautiful, really. I might head to the SAC. Might ask the security guard. Hello, excuse me. Where can I find the SAC?
Huh?
SAC. Where can I find it?
SP.
SAC.
अब किधर जाने गए?
SAC. Like I talked to a senior yesterday. कल मैं बात किया था. वो होता है
AB1 में जाने गए?
नहीं AB1 नहीं. वहाँ पे जो स्टूडेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं ना, स्टूडेंट प्रोजेक्ट, हाँ वहाँ पे जाना है.
वो इधर से जाएगा तो वो कार जाता है ना?
हाँ.
फ्रेश जाइए, 2 नंबर गेट है. उधर पूछ के उधर आ गए.
हाँ. Raining. It started raining. Oh God.